Okay, so if you're looking to purchase some new makeup brushes for your kit, these are 7 that I would definitely recommend that you get. So firstly would be this foundation brush, which is a small compact foundation brush, which is really good for blending and to give you a good full coverage. Secondly, this large fluffy brush, which is to apply your powder with. Then a smaller fluffy brush, which is angled, to use for blusher or bronzer. We've then got 2 for eyeshadow. Firstly, we've got a small flat brush to apply your eyeshadow with, and secondly, we've got a larger tapered fluffy brush to blend the eyeshadow out with. We've then got a very small brush for you to apply your eyeliner, and lastly, you've got a double-ended brush for your eyebrows. It's got an eyebrow groomer on one side to brush through the eyebrows, and the other end is a tapered brush.